My name is Gerald. I'm 76 years old. And there's a house I never went back to. I think about it more now than I did when I still could have gone. That's how these things work, I suppose. You don't feel the weight of something until it's too late to set it down. The house was my grandmother's. A small place on the edge of a town that doesn't look the same anymore. White paint that always needed touching up, a porch that sagged on one side, a screen door that never quite closed all the way. I grew up in that house, not full-time, but summers, weekends, whenever my parents needed a break or couldn't figure out what to do with me. My grandmother didn't talk much. She wasn't cold, just quiet. She'd hum while she cooked. She'd sit on that porch in the evenings with a glass of iced tea and watch the road like she was waiting for someone who never came. I didn't understand her then. I was young, restless. I wanted to be anywhere but there. When I turned 17, I stopped going. I didn't make a big announcement, I just stopped. There was always something else, a job, friends, a girl I thought mattered more than she did. My grandmother never called to ask why. She wasn't the type to ask for anything. My mother would mention her sometimes. Your grandmother asked about you, but it was always second-hand, always soft, never urgent. I told myself I'd visit soon, next month, next summer, when things slowed down. But things never slow down. You just get better at lying to yourself about when they will. I was 23 when she died. It was sudden, a stroke. She was alone when it happened. They found her 2 days later. I didn't cry at the funeral. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't know how. Maybe I thought I didn't have the right. After the service, my mother asked if I wanted to go back to the house, to see it one more time before they sold it. I said no. I told her I had to get back, work, responsibilities. I don't even remember if that was true. She looked at me for a long time, didn't say anything, just nodded. I got in my car and I left. I thought about going back a few times over the years. I'd be driving through that part of the state and I'd think, maybe I'll stop, just to see it. But I never did. I told myself it didn't matter. It was just a house. Someone else lived there now. It wouldn't mean anything to see it. But that wasn't true. I was afraid. I'm not sure when I realized it. It wasn't all at once. It was slow, like watching something fade in a photograph you forgot you had. I started thinking about her more, my grandmother, the way she'd hum those old songs I never learned the names of, the way she'd set a place for me at the table, even when I hadn't said I was coming. I remembered the last time I saw her. I was 16, maybe 17. I don't remember what we talked about. I don't think we talked much at all. I remember she stood on the porch and waved as I drove away. I didn't wave back. I don't know why. I just didn't.